Hello and welcome to International Private Finance's Guide to Interest-Only Mortgages. My name's Felicity Sullivan and I'm one of the international mortgage consultants here at IPF. Today I'm going to talk you through interest-only mortgages in France and the options that are available. Interest-only mortgages are available in France, however they aren't as common as repayment mortgages and can sometimes be viewed as a little bit more risky by the French lenders. The interest-only criteria as well can be a little bit more stringent. The good news is though that there are a number of different options available. So for an interest-only mortgage in France, you're generally looking at a maximum of 75% loan to value as opposed to 85% on repayment. The products that are available are largely similar to what you could expect with repayment mortgages. So you could have a long-term fixed rate on interest only and also variable rates. As far as the term of the mortgage is concerned, this is also a little bit more restricted on an interest-only basis. So you'd probably be looking at 14 years as a maximum as opposed to 25 years on repayment. There are also a number of hybrid mortgage options available on interest-only. So you could look at having a 20-year mortgage which has an initial 7-year interest-only period and the remaining 13 years would then be on a repayment basis. And you could also look at a 50-50 product, so something that was split 50% on interest only and 50% on repayment. When it comes to the eligibility for an interest-only mortgage, it's largely the same as a repayment. So the banks are still going to be looking at your debt-to-income ratio, so all of your committed expenditure on a monthly basis in relation to your income. However, the banks are very concerned when somebody is taking an interest-only mortgage of the level of assets that they have available. They want to understand how you intend to eventually repay the capital on the mortgage. So normally they will ask that you have around 150% of the loan amount in net assets, and they want these assets to come from a variety of different sources. So equity within a home, but also other things like cash savings, shares, to really show that you've got a variety of assets. So the rates on an interest-only basis are starting at about 2.3% with the retail banks in France. When it comes to the private banks, you're probably looking at a starting rate of about 1.5%. However, with the private banks, a minimum loan amount is probably around €1.5 million, and they are looking to develop a long-term banking relationship with you. I hope you found this video useful. If you would like any further information or would like to receive a personalised interest-only quote, then please feel free to visit our website at www.internationalprivatefinance.com or contact a member of our team over the phone on 0207 484 4600.